that local game with all concentration and all determination to win the game. We are not also saying that they should go and settle for a draw. No, but then go with a strong side. We see from the first game that Charlie, we need more energy. We need more pace in front of the attack.
I think the coach is more experienced. On your approach of the ball game, if the coach is Pedro, I think on your approach of the ball and operate sir, because under the share England. Born be pa, you can tell
the big men are coming to the party. Harry Kane, Jude Bellingham, Rashford.
So Bellingham, me respect you. Yeah, Akwani you good. Oh, chere born impo. Chere what is through. What pressure no was.
Yeah, work create. You can see that Jude Bellingham, baby, born will be Jude Bellingham.
Yeah.
And what you boy
was say boom.
Start possession from back. We possess the ball now is album Ghana ended their share first half ball now. Yet from Echila, you're trying to locate the ringer, which in a far end.
I do the way instances are Ajete there up some long passes be long passes on top of boom.
What the mupo nani phone real the boy one pro. So to keep on to mention Tobana ball.
Wow.
Then booming on them baby. Or them 1 year training.
I think we'll also have to talk about another issue that is Atizigi and his injury. I think Benjamin Sarri came in to replace Atizigi in the game right at the end of the first half. I think he came in the second half to replace Lawrence Atizigi. Is it going to have an impact on the team? Right?
Impact.
The injury to Lawrence Atizigi.
I think them yeah, but World Cup qualifies in a Benjamin Sarri na wade. Atizigi no or them no. I think they or based on experience. Until I was started Atizigi no. But Atizigi you want to Benjamin Sarri, but I don't think they or a negative.
But then I think Benjamin Boom, no, he looked very calm.
Obiana the grace or carry.
Yeah.
Obiana the grace or carry. You can tell the boss are about Tizigido in the first half. No, Asari Bumino, no boss and Banado.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or of and see, I don't know. So you need communication towards the players.
The back.
Yeah. I don't know. So you need communication. Another a grace, special grace, Biana Kasakari. Of course, it has happened before. Madrid when you keeper Kylian Navas or something.
Yeah, Kylian Navas.
Yeah, on the Madrid winning Champions League 3 times in a row.
Repeat, yeah.
But Kylian Navas, you can't.
He's not a big name.
He's not any keeper. But Grace be or carrying if or the Ponumpa boss and Shadamba.
Yeah.
So Benjamin Asari, Obotum and Alco.
Andy, Benjamin Asari.
Oh yeah, and I'm a or you good, although you good, but over the poor born out there obey on back like when you have control defenders on internet SM was a penasm no. So say basically I think you them no and the defenders no there one is a woman or born a fan or cado but we bear no if you want to tight say wash and Panama we black man.
Maybe they can was be
almost so on the baby. On internet, so was what Ghana was started born. On internet, want to move for one call a chuno. So, hey, black man, they true.
I don't think they're no at Tizigi no on control place. I think the beginning, no, and the players, no, one settle.
Okay.
And the players in settle. And to born after in the players and what should open. But we women, I saw you women. Players will game another.
Calm.
To our calm down, and then I'll see a Boboni be. That's the main. On your day at Tizigi, a professional goalkeeper.
Oh, and
I'm on control. And at Tizigi, will control we more
boy.
On your John Boy, me now, but boy, I did him when I back on to my one and Casa.
But then keep a view of keep away experience at the man and start and need to maybe point share that. Let's say was started. Or they are only a channel when you go what started the mobile the short na za obanado what when be 4 minutes impo na po so we share bia
yeah
ona makade na
the first 10 minutes
ona Ghana settle
say I won't kada one settle ba we keeper
no
players no say if you are players wonya there kabibi che ono e won why on
there's no the communication between Atizigi and the backline is
yes
listen say goalkeeper obutum any players and any backline no and wanna come some epede you want to kebia but what if the ball is like every time ball never end that's why makadena yan settle no yeje ball Ghana je ball yentum possess ball nti yeje ana Panama agi so definitely we ba attacking nti boss no baba yendo kase
yeah
and so I likely the keeper ball baba no do second half no Ghana yen ho aba game no yeje yetum ye possess bi Intina born a one bass, I know you're there.
Ghana, we share Panama.
No,
I think
it's our banana Panama defenders, no to move the Indian strikers.
Because we have based that young strikers were clinical. Jordan, so when your ball is Jado.
But young defenders were good.
I
think abandon. If you are born in Jade, Mokandan, yen settled down, although you know. Bibi o wire attention then
but keep we no kwa start to pay until you there settle down be able
although yerebo ye monitor how obo but I will keep no I will need the pole no mu ball for pole no mu bia watch a while I will am watch bia until I will hear oh player we was a ball but you know like monitor
from what you are all saying as in so you concede the goal into
you concede the goal
yes
but I'm saying all confused now you concede the goal and keeper na kade boss obeying na keeper save ball or save boss and my problem am why there Ajete na Jerome Opoku one year defenders wobble
they are not even our best center back pairing
Ebekade Atizigi into control one. Atizigi or a professional goalkeeper. Atizigi or you want to cast all right. But as a bonus sienda.
Singalen.
Bonus sienda. Kotwadim. Kasi asmuina and would the possible one. So 1 year players in Kasana.
Okay. Americano Amide.
Ghana, we are just projecting, previewing their next game against England.
See, defenders, we're good, all right. I will support, you know, I will make back on and over why active more. Entrance would be ever pay but the poor man, one about you punch. You know, what if the offer win?
Azaka,
yeah, what if the in doesn't a save?
I try Hurricane no more short, no.
Hurricane is short, I will go to man.
Okay, that is it for Ghana. Ghana is a Atkinson baby. We would go to games na Akodo in the Dano. I think games na Akodo in the Dano. Yaka, England and our group members, no, England and Croatia, and then that Portugal and the DR Congo. Big disappointment. One of the tournament's favorites. And he minus in DR Congo. And he won about draw, 1-1 draw. Right.
What I told you.
I think that for the past 5 tournaments, World Cup tournaments, Portugal on the opening matches. For the 5 World Cups, you know, Portugal really just won.
Wow.
Portugal really just won. And against Ghana.
3-2.
Yeah.
Yes.
2022 World Cup. I think the South Africa 2010 Portugal will see. And Yabo boy 2014 Brazil. Also the over draw or something.
Yeah.
So I am surprised baby. But as Mekano, they are favorite to win. And me, I believe the Portugal will win. And last World Cup now 2022 World Cup. Argentina lose against Saudi Arabia. Their opening game. And Argentina will be 2010. I'm from back 2010. 2010. Sorry. 2010 South Africa World Cup. Spain away. Spain. We'll lose one first. I think we'll draw one first game.
Yes.
So on your first time, what happened? So I think the Portugal still they have.
Okay. Another game that went on was Colombia versus Uzbekistan. I think that game was a simple game, and in there, Charlie, yeah, day after Ghana match, near day, yeah.
Now, the main jubilation is, bro.
Yeah, there, but a game went on. Colombia and Uzbekistan, 3-1 for Colombia. Yes.
Okay.
I think goals from Luis Diaz and Munoz. Crystal Palace.
Another shockingly, Mokosho lineup, no, James Rodriguez. Okay, anyway, yeah, players in one, they only show up in World Cup. James Rodriguez, your players will work for national team more than club. Yeah, but World Cup, even World Cup, sir, or prove actual reason why or James Rodriguez. I think 2014 World Cup, Brazil, I think so. Oji best goal of the tournament.
Yes, I think most valuable player too. He took that. Yeah.
So muhu no line up no menya jepa. I think the all line up.
Yeah, but in the matches you saw, but don't know.
I will now tell Mama me was some of Portugal. I'm the army on the visa.
There some more.
And that some more.
Portugal.
Ronaldo. As all year the same thing we be.
Jordan
are you? Or be like edge ball into me, Jinado. Navy years will show goods.
Good cousin here, what you trying to do?
Yeah, I'm trying to answer.
Who go to Messi, I answer and go to Ronaldo and found.
Obia you go to. But then ended up Portugal was the old Ronaldo fancy, or but also Bobo hat trick. Or fine fa. A German deal Congo.
Tournament near
matches our way. Now, see my minimum day, what be we like? Minimum Boba fan of Fala, New Portugal.
I didn't see him over fan of Fala. Because
game in
the Portugal lose. Portugal
Mama can enter so. Why the Portugal? Ronaldo will with Empire Bassett.
Oh, yeah, you there, in the game in order Portugal win again.
I mean, I've been any day at Sanaha, a Hayana Yetsana. You know, yes, Portugal bed and over fan of Fala.
Okay.
Under the man can Portugal fan of Fala. I can't. Macacho the team Sinina. Sisia being who bornable. So dear Congo so whatever. And actually, I want to go now. Wissa. A question the club side.
I'm Bonnie Bimbo.
Crystal Palace.
Oh, Newcastle.
Newcastle, rather. Newcastle. Sisia country be our professionals who.
Yeah.
Country on today first and about the Africans and Yaba. The local players in the majority of the countries they are professionals.
Teams like Morocco that before they had no players from outside leagues. This time they have only 2 players from the local league.
Yeah.
And they are goalkeepers. So imagine.
But Portugal squad will get a winning. Bruno. Almighty Bruno.
PFA Player of the Year, England.
Then your boy into my pass. In the I mean the ball but no to more there. Portugal for now was some so now I there. Ghana is here we all the starting. Jordan all the starting. Ball go no appeal or your teamwork. One thing to and for born if you pull and found one coach pull him. I was there Maradona and Ronaldo.
I put blame on Ronaldo.
On your Ronaldo similar one and the open on ye. I mean I don't ye.
Okay. In the games, I think there's one particular game Africans who take keen interest. That would be South Africa versus Czech Republic. South Africa, we are embrace basis there and pay one answer. South Africa, we pay one answer. One last match, we'll see by 2-0. I think what you 2 red cards. What do you expect from South Africa this time? Right.
South Africa is now Ghanaian. Let's say for South Africa win and Podo show team. Because you play out one on air, Koshobo, and I can support South Africa. I show Obiayo Bibi. See a black against South Africa. But Muntu Sons and I didn't Kade South African could lose them. Because Czech Republic now so they bring nothing to us until South Africa when Czech Republic I think easy tax ba
amazing pedo will lose on bro South Africa.
I think them go for be kade one fit tournaments no more.
Or they with him.
Na one go fix one team
because I'll take predictions. Yeah, our predictions. We have more games to go through. South Africa versus Czech Republic, right?
South Africa, Czech Republic. I think about my draw game.
Okay.
About my draw game.
About my 2-1.
For
we're going in Czech Republic.
Okay. Okay. Switzerland versus Bosnia and Herzegovina. I think Switzerland last game drew with Qatar last minute and a dagger through the heart. A Qatar Etel Kauno 1-1. I think in this game, going into this game, they will need a win. I think players like Shaka and
Switzerland were on and off. Them no one star.
Bosnia with Edin Dzeko, senior man Edin Dzeko. It's no so prediction.
Now this game I'll go for Switzerland.
Switzerland. No. Okay. Switzerland. Yeah, I'm a bet if you know. Yeah, bet in your now. I want to see so we Alta one from.
Alta, I must say only on Ghana matches.
Oh, okay.
I need them to say about Mizibi.
Hey.
Mama Ghana go straight to 500 cities.
Hey.
Yeah. Mama Ghana 500 cities straight to.
Hey. Ndama.
Wanga say about
oh.
Mama Ghana.
And I answer
500 cities.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It is Switzerland win.
Switzerland win.
Yeah, Switzerland win.
Next game is Canada versus Qatar. Co-host of the World Cup. Co-host. Qatar versus Canada. Yes. Qatar. One bush last minute and what to occur against Switzerland. Against the co-host Canada. Prediction.
Did a match. Come on, Canada.
Okay. But Alfonso Davis led Canada, captain of the Canada national team.
Canada, but why the Ghana and Panama and be strengthened?
Almost at par.
Yeah. Strengthened. Bim bro bidu KCB. Still, I'll go for Canada. Okay. I think the Canada will to in the match.
Okay, Andy.
I'm going to be a draw game.
Draw game.
Yeah, either day 0-0.
When I watch a bet now, also I will tell. Yes, it was a draw game. I think the most exciting game comes last. That is Mexico versus Korea Republic. South Korea. Yeah. No, so anything to say? I think previous game Mexico for no share South Africa for no, and South Korea so share Czech Republic. By 2-1. Son Heung-min and
Korea is my so.
Korea.
I for them basa.
Wow.
Korea for no either sort no. Charlie, would you do?
South Korea, what about our sizes?
Yeah.
South Korea, our sizes today. But I want to pull out, when the elbow be overhead actually.
Wow.
Everyone wonder why you're shush. Going our size, but overhead actually.
Okay, the speed so.
Yeah, the time we have prediction for South Korea.
I'll go for South Korea, man.
We're straight to win.
Against another co-host in Mexico.
Oh, I'll go for South Korea. Maybe 2-1 win.
2-1 win for South Korea.
Yeah,
okay,
South Korea.
Andy.
Maybe 1-0 for South Korea.
1-0. 1-0. You want to be the goal scorers?
For South Korea?
Yeah.
I would like Son Heung-min to score.
Son Heung-min, yeah.
I would like him to score.
Player we pedo ocean or yon no issue. World Cup. Sebe stadia. So we want obia to miss you.
Player to pedo show to miss England. Mena me pede Jude Bellingham show. How you can no be up How you can show.
One way I was born ball.
And I think they are soon way I was born.
One way I was born ball and Eba World Cup play defend them bottom beche. The man World Cup with you. Lucky I will defend who keep on go to my behead actually. Yeah. Wow. And we them Croatia free. We team here on 18 bucks in a month.
Yes. After England, our next opponent, Croatia.
Croatia.
Yes.
Into another me pedagano one shiny pa. If say we England impose into me and you wanna ye impa. I'm a draw na me pema we Ghana no crazy draw.
Still back on Ghana. Ghana, yes, I mean, outdoors,
Ghana, World Cup, no, only in Quatin, the Ghana, Sabazi.
Ghana.
Yenjeka. Yeah.
It was your full. I think we have come to the end of the program. I think we have in the somebody can be brave, but I want to give thanks to our sponsors, National Petroleum Authority, the Taste Catering Services, Diesel Gift Shop, Nesto Ventures, Immense Hardware and Finishes, Patmo Print. We want to give a big thank you to all our sponsors. Thank you for coming and watching us talk about football. This has been Football Extra on Coastal TV, your world of endless possibilities. Catch you same time tomorrow. Bye-bye.